Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: OBS installed, drivers updated, and overlays off so captures stay clean. Once done, run OBS as administrator. This fixes permission issues for game capture. Next, choose a capture mode. Pick game capture for full screen titles because it hooks into the GPU, or display capture for windowed or multi-monitor setups. Make sure to create a new scene, then add your chosen source. This gets you actively recording ready, instead of stuck in settings. Once the scene is prepared, configure video and encoder settings. You should set a base, canvas, resolution matching your display, then an output scaled resolution like 1280 x 720 to balance quality and performance. Now pick an encoder. Use NVENC if you have NVIDIA, AMD hardware encoders for AMD GPUs, or X264 if your CPU is strong. After that, set bitrate based on resolution and upload capacity. Higher bitrate yields clearer footage, but uses more resources. Finally, assign audio tracks and test levels to avoid clipping. Now you're ready to record. Use studio mode to preview scenes, then press your Start Recording hotkey and watch OBS resource indicators. You should monitor CPU and GPU usage and keep an eye on dropped frames in the status bar. Make hotkeys for quick toggles like mute or stop so you don't disrupt gameplay. If you see stutter or dropped frames, reduce bitrate or scaled resolution, switch to a faster encoder preset, or cap frame rate. These fixes restore smooth recordings quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.